Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to change your debit card or your credit card for your shop app. So very easy. You're going to do this on the desktop app, shop.app, and you're going to look towards the upper right corner of the screen where your profile is. And if you click on it, it's going to say settings and sign out. Click on settings. It's going to bring you to this account page. So to change your debit card or credit card, as you can see, I don't have one because I honestly am not comfortable doing it. But as you can see here, if I click my address, you're going to see my address, and there's going to be 3 dots over here. So if you click on the 3 dots, it's going to show you a trash bin and an edit bin, a delete and an edit. It's going to be the same with cards, right? So for example, we have a card here. This is what it's going to look like. So it's going to ask for your card number, card holder number, expiration date, security code, and nickname. So if you have an existing credit card that's in your shop app account, all you need to do is change the card number, pretty much everything: the card number, the card holder name, expiration date, security code, nickname, and so on and so forth. And then just click save card, and you will be all set. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.